Welcome aboard! If you're planning a cruise, we've got some essential tips to make your journey smooth and enjoyable. Cruising is a fantastic way to see the world, and with a little planning you can make sure your trip is relaxing, fun, and hassle-free. So whether you're a seasoned cruiser or a first-timer, stick around for some insider advice to help you get the most out of your vacation. Over the next few minutes we'll cover everything from packing your suitcase to staying healthy on board, and making sure you get the most value for your vacation dollar. Let's dive right in. Packing for a cruise can be a little daunting, but it doesn't have to be stressful. The key is to pack light while still being prepared for anything. Remember, you'll likely be going from relaxing by the pool to exploring tropical ports and enjoying elegant dinners on board. So, start with the essentials. Sunscreen, a hat, sunglasses, and comfortable walking shoes are a must. You'll want to pack a swimsuit, of course. It's a good idea to bring two, so you'll always have a dry one ready. For evenings and formal nights on board, pack at least one outfit that's a little dressier. This could be a nice dress, a skirt and top, or slacks and a button-up shirt. Don't forget accessories. A few pieces of jewelry, a scarf, or a tie can really elevate your look. And here's a handy tip. Pack a small foldable bag that you can use for day trips and excursions. Finally, don't forget any medications you take regularly, and consider packing a small first aid kit with essentials like bandages, pain relievers, and motion sickness medication, just in case. By packing strategically, you'll be prepared for anything your cruise vacation throws your way. There's nothing more stressful than rushing to catch your cruise ship. To ensure a smooth and enjoyable embarkation process, plan to arrive at the port city the day before your cruise departs. This will give you time to relax, unwind, and explore the city before all the excitement begins. Arriving early also gives you a buffer in case of unexpected travel delays. Flights can be delayed, traffic can be unpredictable, and the last thing you want is to miss the boat because you cut it too close. Most cruise lines offer online check-in, so take advantage of this to save yourself time and hassle at the port. You can usually check in online starting a few weeks before your departure date. By taking care of this ahead of time, you'll be able to skip the long lines and head straight for the fun stuff, like exploring the ship and enjoying your first onboard meal. One of the best things about cruising is the sheer variety of activities available on board. From swimming pools and water slides to live music, comedy shows, and Broadway-style productions, there's something for everyone. Take some time to browse the daily program, which is usually delivered to your stateroom each evening. This will give you an overview of all the activities, entertainment, and dining options available throughout the day and evening. Don't be afraid to try something new and step outside your comfort zone. Always wanted to learn how to salsa dance? There's a class for that. Curious about cooking demonstrations or art auctions? Go for it. One of the joys of cruising is the opportunity to discover new interests and passions. And if relaxation is more your style, no worries. There are plenty of quiet spots on board to unwind with a good book, soak up the sun by the pool, or simply enjoy the breathtaking ocean views. Staying healthy while traveling is always important, and cruising is no exception. With so many people in close quarters, it's easy for germs to spread. The good news is that there are simple steps you can take to protect yourself and stay healthy throughout your trip. First and foremost, wash your hands frequently with soap and water, especially before eating and after using the restroom. If soap and water aren't readily available, use hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Next, be mindful of what you touch, especially in high-traffic areas like handrails and elevator buttons. Consider using a napkin to avoid direct contact and avoid touching your face as much as possible. Staying hydrated is also crucial, especially in warm climates. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and avoid excessive alcohol consumption, as it can dehydrate you. Finally, listen to your body. If you're not feeling well, take a break, rest in your stateroom, and drink plenty of fluids. Don't be afraid to reach out to the ship's medical staff if you need assistance. Just like when traveling anywhere else, it's essential to keep your valuables safe while on a cruise. Most cruise ship cabins are equipped with safes, so take advantage of this convenient amenity. Store your passport, extra cash, credit cards, and any expensive jewelry you're not wearing in the safe. When you're out and about on the ship or exploring port, be aware of your surroundings and keep your belongings close. Avoid carrying large amounts of cash, and consider using a money belt or a crossbody bag that you can keep in front of you. It's also a good idea to make copies of important documents like your passport, driver's license, and credit cards. Keep one copy in your suitcase and leave another copy with a trusted friend or family member back home. We hope these tips help you have an unforgettable cruise experience. Remember to pack smartly, arrive early, and take advantage of all the incredible activities on board. Stay healthy by practicing good hygiene, and keep your valuables safe so you can relax and enjoy your vacation to the fullest. Cruising is an incredible way to see the world and create lasting memories. So sit back, relax, and get ready for an amazing adventure. Bon voyage! Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts and tips.